This is a short video clip explaining the 5 different rank functions in Tableau. These functions are as follows: rank, rank dense, rank modified, rank unique, and rank percentile. You will notice that each created field starts with a small letter C. This is to indicate that the field is a calculated field. You will also notice that I put a space between each word. I'll show the benefits of this later, but this helps in formatting the columns. It's also important to mention that each rank function argument defaults to descending, and the DESC here is not necessary, but for demonstration purposes I'll leave it in. Let's start by setting up a Tableau sheet to explain each one of these rank functions. Into the rows field, let's pull in category, subcategory, order ID, and the continuous field sales. We could leave each of these measures as continuous, but I think it'd be much easier to demonstrate if I could convert them to discrete. Click on the top pill, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last rank pill. Now right-click and choose Convert to Discrete. Let's put each rank function over onto the rows field and then discuss how each function works. Notice how the columns are bunched up here. This is resolved by clicking on Analysis, Table Layout, and then down to Advanced, and you'll notice that the table options have been set to 6 columns. We could bump it up to 9, but I usually just set it to the maximum of 16. Now let's clean up the column headings. This is why I put spaces in the column names. And lastly, let's format the rank profile to %. So let's look at each function and see what they're saying. Let's start with rank. You'll notice that it goes from 1 to 21, then 9 blank rows, and then resumes the count at 31. This means that the dollar amount is the same from rows 21 to 30, and the function assigns it the first number in that group, here being 21. But the rank function stores rows 22 through 30 in memory and then begins with 31 when the dollar amount changes. So the rank's underlying counting is rows. Rank dense also goes from 1 to 21 with 9 blank rows, indicating that the dollar amounts are the same. But when the dollar amount changes, the next number is 22, unlike rank, which is 31, because rank dense has an underlying counting of dollar amounts, not rows. Rank modified is like rank and rank dense, but with one significant change. Rank and rank dense, when they encounter the same dollar amount for several rows, choose the first number in that grouping, whereas rank modified chooses the last number in that grouping. So when rank modified encounters a new dollar amount, it simply goes to the next number up, which in this case would be 31. Rank percentile simply ranks the dollar amounts from 0% to 100% based on the sales amount. And the last function, rank unique, simply indicates the row position based on the dollar amount here, but will keep increasing that number even if the sales amount are the same for several rows. So these are the 5 rank functions in Tableau. There's much more to learn, but as you get to know them better and better, you can be very creative with them. I hope that you've enjoyed and benefited from this video, and thanks for watching.